How to screw up a perfectly good engine block. Well, except for it's a Ford. But I can look in here. There's still the hatch marks from the honing. This engine doesn't have enough miles on it to be as bad as that. Or that. Or the other two. That was not so bad. But this is what happens when you store an engine outside, and the mechanic that tells you to take it out of your car because your car is a piece of junk, and then tells you to take out the spark plugs and squirt 80-90 weight in there. Make sure you spray it all over the place, followed by, oh yeah, I've done this before lots of times. And that is the sign of not lots of times. That's called never ever done, called there's nothing in there, called you wrecked your engine. Here's one that's still open, no water, and there's nothing in it. I don't get anything off. I can put a dry, clean rag in there, and I get nothing. Absolutely nothing. This has been sitting for 2 years. It does not evaporate like that in 2 years. This is called tough luck, dum-dum.